Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, they sent me a story. They said, while standing in line to check into our hotel, the men in front of us pulled out their video recording devices and started recording. One guy was holding the camera while the other spoke. At one point, they recorded people checking in and captured one guest's credit card. I know this because one of the guys actually said out loud that he could see the numbers on the guest's card. The guest had his back to the camera, but he was holding his credit card in his hand. How is this legal? Okay, well, it's up to the hotel to decide whether or not videotaping is allowed on the premises. I hope in this situation that the person who shot the video, when they realized that they had gotten someone's credit card number, that they deleted that portion of the video as soon as possible, because if that had nothing to do with, I guess the only one would want to do that, that for any purpose that wasn't legal. So if they accidentally got some information that they shouldn't have or don't want to have, delete it, because you don't want that getting into someone's hands who shouldn't have it. I'm surprised that the hotel didn't say something to maybe try to limit the scope of what these people were recording so as to not capture credit card numbers, or that the other guest didn't notice that somebody had their camera out and was recording. Not that it was their responsibility, but if it was obvious to you, why wasn't it obvious to them? And yeah, if somebody was recording, I'd be like, you know what? I'm not taking my credit card out until they're not here anymore, or at least they put their cameras away. So just capturing the number may not be illegal. If videotaping was legal on the premises, it's what they do with that information that could be illegal. Like if they post it online or use a card to buy things that, with someone else's card that they shouldn't be. So I guess you'd have to look at the totality of the circumstances, not just the recording, but also what they do with it, unless there's a state law in play that would make what these people did illegal. So we'd have to look at the totality of the circumstances before you can do a proper legal analysis. So I hope this gives you a starting point to get an answer to your question. These situations always come down to the details of what happened and the laws that are in place to that geographic area. So I hope this has been helpful. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. Please remember that watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. It's merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. I hope you told this person that these people captured their credit card number with their camera so that they could be aware and take precautions if necessary. But beyond that, I don't know if there's any really legal thing I can say anymore about this situation. So with that, I will catch up with you later. Take care.